Hey everybody, it's Ken Birdsell here from KB Cars. Today I'm at Spitzer Chevy in Amherst, Ohio, and I'm going to show you what's new on the 2020 Chevy Traverse. There's three main categories that you need to know if you are shopping or in the market for a Traverse or looking for that third row vehicle. It's a great option to consider. I'm going to do other videos that go more in depth around these vehicles, but this is just to cover what's new. Again, three main categories. Make sure you stick around for it. And subscribe to my channel, share this video if you have any questions. Comment down below and I'll be glad to help. Alright, first thing you need to know is color changes. There are three colors going away and three new colors coming up. So on the left we have one of our last 2019 Traverses, and on the right the 2020. You can see there's not a ton of differences. The one on the right is an LS and the one on the left, the 2019, is an LT. So obviously there's a little bit difference in grille, but when you go trim level to trim level the same, they will be the same. Nothing changing there. Havana Brown metallic, black Currant metallic, kind of that burgundy color-ish, and Pepperdust metallic are all three colors that are going away on the 2019. It's the last, or on the 2020. 2019 is the last opportunity to get those colors if you want them. But there's going to be some good replacement colors. Stone gray metallic, that may have a little bit of brown in it. Haven't seen that specifically yet, but I'm thinking that's going to be what's replacing Havana Brown. Black cherry metallic on the new 2020s, and I think that's going to be replacing the black Currant. Again, going to be a similar color, just maybe a little bit lighter or darker, we'll find out. And midnight blue metallic. I'm going to have a video link at the end of this video. Goes to the 2020 Equinox comparison video that I have up, and in that one you'll be able to see the midnight blue metallic. That's huge. Chevy hasn't had a blue color that I can remember on the Traverse since I think 2017, maybe 2016. So that is good. I've had a lot of people complain about that, and it's really nice to have a blue option on the Traverse. It's going to look really nice. So keep those in mind. Three colors going away, three new colors coming on the 2020. Second thing I want to mention, let's talk about what's under the hood. So there's a little bit of change, kind of. It's not technically new, but the 2-liter turbo engine that was on the RS is going away entirely. It kind of removed it halfway through the 2019 model year, but now it's entirely gone. So you only have the 3.6 liter V6 engine, which has been a great engine for the Traverse. Plenty of power to it, but now that's going to be the only option, so there's a change. Alright, so in section 1 I said that there's no really exterior changes, so it's kind of a lie, but it's kind of exterior, kind of interior. So this on the 2019, we all know about the active Aero Shutters. If you haven't seen those in action, I do have some videos kind of displaying this a little bit, but 2019 has the active Aero Shutters, and on the 2020 it does not. They removed them entirely from all trim levels, so that is kind of a big change. Some people cared for it. Most people didn't even know they were there. Really helped with fuel economy, efficiency, aerodynamics, stuff like that. So that one's going away. Another feature change that's going on is the Infotainment System 3 is now standard on the 7-inch and 8-inch models. Whether you have navigation or not, it's all the newer radio style. Really works the same, it just looks a little bit different. So you have two different home screen options. When you look at radio presets, are at the top instead of at the bottom. Still has Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, but it actually says they have their own respective icons instead of being projection, as I said before. You still have your climate control, rear climate control on here. It's pretty I think it's a lot easier, it's a lot cleaner. So that's new. Also, instead of where we had backup cameras and surround vision, now it's actually HD surround vision and HD rear vision camera. And on ones that have the trailering package on them, I think that's a Z82 package, they're going to have the trailering assist guidelines. So instead of just the backup ones, it'll be the ones you see on the Silverado, Colorado, with it with just a single line lined up to the hitch. to help you with that, as well as a Hitch Guidance with Hitch View, which actually gives you a whole nother view where you're looking, it looks like you're looking directly down at your hitch, so you can tell not just are you centered this way, but are you directly over it, so you know when to stop. So those are some cool things that are coming here on the 2020 Traverse. This one is at Spitzer Chevy in Amherst. It's their first one they got in. It's an LS front wheel drive, so it's kind of that price leader. Definitely come check it out if you live in the Northeast Ohio region. If you have any questions, you can give us a call at 440-988-4444, or you can comment down below. I'll be glad to help you. And make sure you subscribe to my channel, share this video, and you guys have a great day.